Planks are one of the most effective exercises you could do at home. I learned what happens to your body when you do this exercise regularly. Planks involve all the major groups of the core muscles, including transverse, straight, and oblique abdominal muscles and the buttocks. Planks are an exercise that allows you to strengthen muscles without unnecessary strain on the spine. Performing them regularly significantly reduces back pain and provides support of the spine, especially its upper part. Performed every day, planks burn more calories than other traditional exercises. A daily 10-minute workout at home either before or after work will boost your metabolism throughout the day, including while you sleep. You won't want to stoop anymore after strengthening your stomach, back, neck, shoulder, and chest muscles. If you ever stood on one foot before and nothing good happened, your abdominal muscles were probably not strong enough. By regularly practicing the side plank, you can gain confidence in your balance. The plank's main advantage is its flexibility. You stretch the muscles surrounding the shoulders, scapula, and collarbones when working out this way. It stretches and relaxes muscles that have become tightened as a result of stress, releasing tension all over the body. Planks can help you overcome anxiety and depression symptoms, but only if you include them into your regular routine.